Right? Small one I load now. They are put together just to make some wire and some jack and stuff. See me? Oh, that dickily. Yeah, the body boy. Yeah, man, see jack them here. Go start them out when I'm done. So I'm just going to put in the net right them in a box. This is a jack, man, give me, man. Give me the seat. Yes, sir. Just put in the speaker them and I want to see what I go. Hold for now. See all the arms here. Yeah. Where you say don't judge the youth? Alright. Next couple minutes and then you're at a bang, yeah? Now the general has to work today. What?
You know what the thing going on?
Monitor system ready? Alright.
You know the monitor system up and running.
Okay,
Yeah, start. So you know that sound like book out before it will make bridging. You understand me I say? So you book out and them some monitor with us some box. Build 2 nights and go box and we have some things that we have to put on a long time we don't even use.
Just done.
You understand me I say? Showing 2 brand new speaker. Yeah man, I got my NC box man. Brand new.
How then there?
See them man? One all the way up to there, see them way about part.
Just one there.
Yeah, 18 sound, I would have free for that.
Them where you
kicking like a thunder. Man see it strong as usual. And some know so this is engineer and born to build seat up. You see me I say? So about to remember the night. You know somebody over get this down there. All the one they go bother my friend thing. And you know the second, you know girl go for it. You know silly thing. You understand? Remember the third same, you know Snapchat them funny.
Yeah.
You know the cricket and thing and you know you go. One they go back to.
Come on, go reach final, you know.
Of course, come on, go final, Bridget. I remember the 16th now with the other scene. You know the one they go to. And the 15th with our bus come in.
Yeah.
You know the scheme the same way. You know what I mean? And Stuart Mountain, you know what's all about. The 21st, a month called February. Set speed, so. After this Scotch Road, the second, remember me telling you, this ain't coming up. Remember me tell you, we can't tell me this stuff. Jaja Blacks, I'm going to do the right thing, make one little new, nice little console.
Yeah.
You know, rush every rush, you know, got people that kill with pan. So, make one little console and we got to paint you, let's see, a rush business.
Just go.
See the way we are landing out the road. Yeah. You know what I mean? So, in the powers of the Most High. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, and fight on the Babylon gate. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, and fight on the Babylon gate. Now, Judy done said it in them. Babylon was plotting to it. Big stick, them jump up quick, but through the powers of the Most High Jah, I and I will get over. Drop the heart, let's get it back for you. And stand up straight, Ethiopians, and fight on the Babylon gate. Stand up straight. In our lives. If you hold on to the secrets, I would like to know. You make me ask that is not the road. They say that a promise is a come to a fool. Yet you come and disobey all my rules. Only a fool will be foolish enough.